Welcome to How Logical. In today's video, I am going to show you how can you search effects into your Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Instagram application. Firstly, you need to open your Instagram application, and after opening the application, just simply click to the plus button down here. And after clicking to the plus button, just simply select the story option. You can see many effects into there, but sometimes we don't find the effect that we want. So to find the effect, we just simply have to go to the search option. Step 2. Click to the magnifier button. Now you just simply have to click to this magnifier button here, and after clicking there, just click into this search button here, and now you can search the effects that you want into your Instagram. Just search the effect and click the effect that you want. By following these very easy steps, you can also search the effects that you want into your Instagram. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching.